Here we are yet again. Today's video is a little different than some of the other ones. It's still a how-to life hack when it comes to trucking. It's just not maintenance related. Today's video has to do with cooking using your truck. I don't know if you've done this before, but I sure have. Those of us who have driven the older trucks know that sometimes you use your truck engine to warm up some food because we didn't have microwaves. And maybe you just don't like a microwave and you want to know how to cook on a truck engine, or maybe you're just adventurous and you want to give it a try because what the heck. So we got some deep dish pizza and a frozen burrito. Let's get them prepped, get them out cooking. Okay, we got them wrapped up in tin foil. Let's check. Let's see. Microwave, oven. Oh, that's weird. No instructions on how to cook using an engine that I see. Weird. Well, I guess we'll just make it up and see how we can figure things out as we go. Let's get outside and put them on the oven. All right, it's a little noisy out here. I got oven number 1, and we'll call it oven number 2. 2 trucks to try this out on. Let's go put the burrito on oven number 1. Don't burn your hand, the turbo can be hot. Time for oven number 2. We got them on there. I'm gonna close up the hoods. Let's start a timer and watch them cook. How's this for a little added comedy while we're cooking? If your truck has a Pyro on it, like this one does, see that? That's the temperature of the turbo, or, you know, in between the engine and the turbo. 300. That, or the gauge is bottomed out. It's not even 300. Let's take our idle up here, see if we can't increase our temperature and get our oven temp up to what do we need here? 375. All right, I think the needle moved a little bit. All right, oven number 1, let's check our burrito. Oh, it feels hot. It is hot. Time for a bite. Oh yeah, not too bad. We'll give our pizza a few minutes longer and we'll check it out in a bit. Last but certainly not least, let's grab our pizza. Oh, that one was kind of hot. Let's see how we did. Pizza time. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a pizza. I'll take a bite, but it didn't burn my mouth. I figured I'd bring it inside, get a little conclusion here where we could see a little better. Got our cooked burrito, cooled off a little bit by now. Pizza's still piping hot. Can't wait to show my neighbor who didn't believe me when I told him you can actually cook food on the turbo of your truck. And it's delicious. Enjoy, everybody. Well, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you want to, click right down in here. This is the subscribe button. That'll give you more of our helpful videos. And then after that, come over here and click here for more of our videos. Remember, truck drivers are American heroes. Let's make truck drivers great again and keep on trucking.